Are you a realtor? Tired of posting the same old open houses and new listings on social media? It's time to mix things up and provide valuable content that truly engages your audience. Here are a few ideas. Top 5 ways to increase the value of a home. Top 5 things to look out for when buying a home. Anybody who's buying or selling a home, they're going to go online and search these things. You want to be the first face to pop up. What's so important to so many families? School systems. What are the best school systems in your service area? Compile a list and share that to your social media. Parents will thank you for it because you've done the homework for them. And don't forget, Wu-Tang's for the children. Sorry.
Number 3.
Showcase the top 5 restaurants in your service area. And what are the best nightlife spots? You could even spotlight the top 3 streets buzzing with activity.
Music makes me wanna dance.
Yeah. By providing this type of free information, you're not only building trust with your audience, but you're also positioning yourself as an authority in the field. If you'd like to jump on a complimentary call, comment below. I've put together a social media strategy designed specifically for realtors like you. Let's build your brand together.